Hi guys, here's how you can use our ready-to-use toolkit for various DeepFake applications. After the purchase, you will get this link, and here are all the apps you are getting. Now let's try to demonstrate with Facefusion. Here is Facefusion, simply open it, and here are the Facefusion files. And this is the latest version as of now, which is 3.6. Now simply click here and download the files. The size is big, so click on download anyway. Once the download is complete, you will get this file. Now this file is zipped using WinRAR, so you will need to have WinRAR. If you do not have WinRAR, then simply Google WinRAR, open this, and simply download and insert WinRAR. It's absolutely free. Once this is done, right click on the file, WinRAR, and extract here. Now the file size is quite big, so the extraction will take some time. So the file has been extracted, and here are all the files. Now to use it, simply open the folder and double click on this Facefusion bat file. If you have a GPU, it will use the GPU, and if you do not have it, it defaults to CPU. So here is Facefusion 3.6. If this page does not open automatically, you can simply copy this link or press Ctrl and click on the link. Anyway, let's quickly test it. First, I will choose CPU because this PC does not have a GPU or CUDA. This is done. Now let's choose the source image. I've downloaded these emails from Pixabay, so I will use the sample image. And for target, I will choose this image. And here are lots of setups you can play with, but I will just leave it to default and it's processing. And here is the result. You can see it's very nicely done. There are also several settings you can experiment and get more better results. Thank you very much.